Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to claim lost luggage with Porter Airlines. So here's a detailed guide on how to claim lost luggage with Porter Airlines. Now, if you realize luggage is missing, the next thing for you to do is to head over to the top menu here and click on Travel Info. So under Travel Info, you have a couple of categories: Travel Info Center, Baggage, Special Travel Needs, and Onboard. So click on Delayed or Damaged Baggage under Baggage. And that's going to take you here to this page where you can read up a couple of information about delayed, lost, or damaged baggage. If your baggage is delayed, for example, says when you report a missing bag to us, the baggage search will commence as soon as your report has been entered into our baggage tracking system. And once your bag has been located, we'll contact you and arrange a delivery, or we can hold it for you until you can pick it up. And if your bag does not arrive on the same flight as you, we will reimburse you any baggage fees. And if you have expenses because of a baggage delay and are eligible to receive compensations, we will compensate you for reasonable and necessary out-of-pocket expenses. If your bag is not located within 21 days, we'll pay you the value of the delayed bag or the amount of our baggage liability. So we'll ask you to report delayed baggage and track the status of your delayed baggage online. If your baggage is damaged, this is what you're going to do to help you with that. Now, what we'll ask you to do: report damage to your baggage and follow up on damaged baggage report. But now, the essence of this tutorial is to claim compensation for lost baggage, right? Now, under compensation claims and liability, you have this option that says compensation for lost baggage. Now click on that. Once you click on compensation for lost baggage, you see more information. If your checked bag has not been found within 5 days of reporting the delay, please fill out the baggage declaration form and provide a detailed description of the content of your baggage. So click on baggage declaration form, and here you have a form. So this is it. In this form, you have to enter your first name, your last name, that's the passenger information, and section 2 is the baggage content. So if completing this interactive form normally, please print legibly. All fields are mandatory unless noted otherwise. Please attach another sheet if your expenses exceed the space provided. So the quantity of the baggage, provide that, article, and then size, color, brand, manufacturer, serial number, date purchase, and price at purchase. Now, once you do that, then get the total amount claimed, which is going to be entered here. And after that, that's pretty much the process. Then after filling that out, okay, you have to go ahead and print it. So the baggage report you filled upon arrival is only an incident report and will not initiate a claim. So this is what can initiate a claim. Okay, so fill out this claim form, and now it says we're going all the way back. Now, after filling out that form, like it says, you have to print it out. And once you have printed it out, take it to the airline, right? Take it to the airline. And once you take it to the airline, go ahead and submit it during checkout. I'm going to take you to the process. So if you realize your luggage is missing, and after filling out this form, just go ahead and look for the Porter Airlines baggage service desk or the lost and found desk at the airport. This is typically located near the baggage claim area. Now, at the baggage service desk, inform the representative that you have lost your luggage. So you can provide your flight details, flight number, date of travel, destination, description of your luggage, and a lot. Then the airline representative will ask you to fill out a lost luggage report. Now, just let the baggage representative to know that you have filled that out online and you submit it. Now, after submitting the report, the representative will provide you with documentation that includes your reference number and the details of your lost luggage report. Then the Porter Airlines will provide a way to track the status of your lost luggage. Okay, they're going to do everything for you. And if your luggage is not found within a few days, it's important to follow up with the Porter Airlines. So use the contact information provided on the documentation you received at the baggage desk to reach out for the updates, and you can also click on the contact us section in the Porter Airlines website to contact them directly. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now, after submitting your claim, you can monitor emails for updates from Porter Airlines regarding your claim status. Now, claim processing times can vary, so be patient as they review your submission. Now, if you have any issues or questions regarding your lost luggage or claim status, do not hesitate to contact Porter Airlines customer service. By following these detailed steps, you can effectively claim lost luggage with Porter Airlines and navigate the process of recovering your belongings. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.